So high-speed rail to Alaska to bring freight and passengers to the airport to fly the rest of the way to Europe or Asia.
No, actually, there are resources. There's timber, there's metal, different kinds of metal. One of the native corporations has filed on a mining ground, but they didn't have the money to proceed. So that still would work out.
The railroad for exporting.
Well, no, it isn't just that. I mean, if there's a railroad that parallels
Oh, right.
the highway system, it's going to be, like every few miles, somebody can start digging for not just gold, but
Right. The heavier, less economical things would become economical if they had railroad transportation, which is way more efficient than any kind of truck transportation,
yeah.
and will become more so as the price of fuel goes up. How about the issue of using natural gas to electrify both the Alaska Railroad and if we connected with Canada? Because then we could use our natural gas to multiply its value by using it for transportation that would bring us continuous long-term, well-paid employment
Right.
in transferring goods from rail to air or to ship. The existing Alaska Railroad should be converted to electric.
Oh, yeah.
It would make it more efficient and less likely of fuel spills and other issues like that, and would create more employment for the people to maintain the electrical systems. So that's a way that we could use our natural gas to the maximum benefit of everybody instead of just selling it.
We could do that.
So what other issues are important for the railroad?
Hmm?
What other issues are important concerning the railroad?
Well, certainly, tourists.
Tourism?
Yeah.
Well, I could see that you could come up by rail and then connect with ship and go down the inside passage.
Right.
And for people that don't like flying, it would bring us a lot of tourism from America.
Well, we already have built up a tremendous amount of tourism by sea, especially from the Seattle area and other seaports out there.
Yeah, that's a very comfortable, easy way for especially senior tourists to visit without having to cram on an airplane. To take a comfortable train ride that even has sleeper cars to Alaska and then either fly to other destinations in the world or get on ship to tour the coastline. That would bring a real solid base of tourism long into the future.
Mm-hmm.
And
well, it's a pretty solid base even now.
Right. This would really secure
and Anchorage is trying to get in on that, I don't blame them.
Well, thank you for your points on history about the Alaska railroads in the past, Tanana Valley Railroad, and possibilities for our future.
Mm-hmm.